On this new short tutorial, I'm gonna show you 3 ways to fix Instagram black screen camera problem. So the first way, guys, is you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps like this. Now on this page you have to wait a few seconds. It will start loading all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you wanna do is wait a few seconds and then scroll all the way until you find the Instagram app. Click on it and then click on this force stop and go to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. That's the first way. The second way is you have to make sure to go into the permissions of the app and make sure that the camera permission is enabled, because sometimes it's just from the permission of the camera. Now, last thing you want to do, or the last solution, is you have to go down here into the open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app and make sure it's on always allow. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial until the very end.